All right, number two, we have Sally who invested some money at 7%. Also invested $52 more than 5 times that amount at 13%. We want to know how much invested at each rate. If she receives $2,500.84 in interest after 1 year. So this time we don't know the total amounts of the $2 amounts, but we do have the total interest, and we have a scenario relating them. So again, I'm going to call X the amount. I'm just going to say X amount at 7%. I'm going to call Y the amount at 13%. Okay, so what we know is the interest. So I have to put together an interest equation. So some amount of money, 7%, so 0.07x plus 0.13y. Amounts of money at both of those. The total that she got in interest was $2,584. $2,500.84. That's how much money we got on our investment. Now it says that the first sentence, she invested some at 7%, and then she also invested 5 times that amount plus 52 at 13%. So this amount Y is equal to 5 times what we did at the 7%. So 5x plus 52, because it's at 52 more. So we have this Y is equal to 5 times that amount plus 52. So 52 more added. So here are my two equations. And with this setup, it's going to be better for us to use substitution, because we already have Y equals. So we're going to substitute this in for Y. However, before I do that, I want to make these whole numbers. So I'm going to multiply this equation still by 100. And you don't have to, but it makes it, I think, easier to multiply. I mean, we can let the calculator, let's just let the calculator do it. You don't have to multiply it. Just, we're going to substitute it in, and we'll just let the calculator work it out for us. So I'm going to substitute 5x plus 52 right here for Y. So we got 0.07x plus 0.13. Now instead of Y, we're going to be replacing that with 5x plus 52. And then this equals 2,500.84. Okay, we're going to do 0.13 times 5 and 0.13 times 52. And so get our handy dandy calculator. And so we're going to do 0.13 times 5. And so that's going to give us 0.65x. So we got 0.07x plus 0.65x. And then 0.13 times 52. And that gives us 6.76. So we just distributed 13 to both of those. And then that equals 2,584. All right, so we're going to combine like terms, the 0.07 and 0.65x. That will give us 0.72x plus 6.76. equals the 2,584. All right, so now we're going to subtract the 6.76 to get the x term by itself. So we're going to do 25.84. We're going to subtract 6.76. I wrote 6.76. Gotta be careful. And that gives us 2494.08. Okay, so we get 0.72x equals 2494.08. And then lastly, we're going to divide by 0.72. All right, so there's kind of a glare. Sorry. See if I can raise this up. Still a glare. Okay, so anyway, we're going to do the 2494.08 and divide it by 0.72 that you can barely see. And that gives us that x equals 3464. So now that we have our amount of money for x, we are going to plug that in here, and that will give us amount for y. So this is going to be 5 times the 3464 plus 52. And so we're going to do, I'm just going to take this and just say times 5 because it already has that answer in there. So whenever I have that 3464, if I just do times 5, it's multiplying it by that. And then if I add 52, that gives me 17,372. So this is y, that bigger amount of money. So now we can plug this in. So at 7%, that was a smaller amount. That was the 3464. And then the larger amount we got was 17,372.